Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Today we're going to be doing some resin art on this tabletop and I'm going to be using the Res Supernova as my base on this. It's a super pretty glitz and glam color by Res. I'm also going to be using this Berry Kiss two-tone pigment by Primal Flow Paint, Nebula Violet from Res, and Color Obsession Aquamarine. Also an artisan pigment in violet and Res Angel White. I'm using my Promarine resin and I'm going to mix that up for 3 minutes off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the base I put down. I just used about 6 ounces of clear and added a couple scoops of the Glitz and Glam Supernova. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that glittery shine. I can't wait to see what this is going to look like. So this is like a galaxy inspired tabletop I'm doing. And this is just the top of a little like coffee table. It's not like a huge dining room table. So I'm going to take my heat gun and pop any bubbles and just kind of make sure my resin's a little bit warmed up so it'll move a little bit easy. So this is actually a really awesome color by Primal Flow Paint. It's like a color shift two-tone pigment. I didn't realize I had actually picked a lot of purple for this piece, but you know, I love purple, so. And that's the Res Nebula Violet. It's a really deep, glittery, opaque color. And now I'm going to go in with my violet from Artisan. Oh, and I forgot to mention Color Obsession Aquamarine as well. I'm going to add a lot of this to give it some contrast because it was looking super purple. The Color Obsession Aquamarine is a really awesome, bright, opaque teal color. So now I'm going to go in with my Berry Kiss two-tone pigment. This is from Primal Flow Paint. I'll link all the products down below in the description. And I'm going to add some of the Nebula Violet up there in the corner. You can see the Nebula Violet's darker than the Artisan Violet pigment, so that gave it a nice contrast. Now I'm just going to go in with the Angel White and add a little bit of white for some highlight. And I'm going to also add Marron Rose Gold. I forgot to mention this at the beginning that I was using Marron Rose Gold. Sorry about that. So yeah, just add that for a little bit of highlight, and the Marron Rose Gold works just like the regular gold where it'll sit nice on top, nice and on top, and just so beautiful. So now I'm going to go in with my heat gun on high heat and warm this up and move it all around. And you can take your heat gun at an angle and kind of just push the resin over the other colors. See, just like that, kind of just give it a little bit of an angle and it'll flow nicely. So I was just going around trying to move the pastes over the mica powder pigments. You get some really awesome effects when you do that, just because, you know, different densities and different products. So yeah, I was just moving everything around, and now I'm going to go in and add a little bit more white to kind of brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm just going in with my heat gun on high heat, and I am just moving the white over the other colors to give me some cells. Adding a little bit more white in the corner, and I'm going to call this piece done. I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours and I'll show you what it looks like. And here we are. I brought it out in the sun so you guys could see. Look at all that beautiful. It totally looks like a galaxy. And you can see the glitz and glam supernova sparkle coming through there. Look at how pretty it is on the corner right here. I love, love, love that supernova. I got some nice little like ghosty cells coming up through right there. I love these little peacock cells. I'm so sorry for the glare. You guys know resin is super reflective. It's just like looking in glass. And my yard has a ton of trees. You can see the glare. So sorry about that. Just try to ignore it. But yeah, just focus on how pretty this turned out, right? The aquamarine from Color Obsession is really awesome too. You guys got to check that out if you're looking for a teal. The rose gold is so pretty on this one. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. I hope everybody is having a great day, and I will see you on Wednesday for another video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1K subscribers, so yeah, subscribe and leave a like and a comment if you want to. Bye.